All right, so we are going to pick a winner for the giveaway for the EV base wheel covers. So let's go ahead and just hit that spin wheel real quick. We have everybody's name listed that entered, that did hashtag giveaway on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and Twitter or X. So let's go ahead and hit that spin wheel and see who wins this. Congrats to SweetTiffany-r4p. You won our giveaway of our EV base Model 3 Highlander wheel covers. Congratulations. We'll be contacting you on YouTube very soon to get your address to send you the wheel covers. Thanks for everybody for entering the contest. We appreciate you guys. More content coming soon. And as you can see, we installed that light bar up there on the Cybertruck. So congrats, Sweet Tiffany, and we'll be contacting you soon. Peace. See you guys.